There for a while, it seemed like every week he was getting run into or he was running into something.
You look like you're a different one. Oh. Oh, you got the white behind your ear. Here comes your buddy. Oh, there's another male.
That's the one with no tail. Like, it's got a tail, but it's short. Because when he flies, you can see the tail. When he lands, his fucking wings are longer than the tail.
Look, they're all coming around.
Perfect. Look at that. I got him already.
Well, look at this male here. Oh. Just
You go for it. Turn to go
oh, that's
right
a butterfly
back.
coming in.
No, fuck you, I'm still here.
It's right here, comes right over here.
You go away midday or?
But no.
Hell no, they're around here all day and night. I think they come at night when the lights come on.
They might.
'Cause they come here first thing in the morning. Just one.
And this guy here's been going back and forth here.
That one's off the wire. Now let's see where it went. There it is.
It'd be cool to get form on camera.
Sometimes they let them sit down and eat, they take a couple sips, then they raise hell with them.
Yeah, well, last week it was four of them all sitting there
See,
eating.
she's
Two
back.
more come up, and that's when they all flew off.
And that was mine.
First one I saw, I thought was a mockingbird. I saw its head. I go, well, it's not the right color, and it's got a pointed head. Still sitting there eating during all that shit. Well, that one came down now. It was
Here comes another one. Meow.
well, they get pissed off when it runs dry. So if you put a fake one, they really get mad.
Oh yeah, they'll get angry.
Look at him.
They
sit
can't
there.
even get along long enough to eat anyway.
Look at that. He just leave me alone. Oh, hi there.
Can't you just get along like Rodney?
Oh, look at it.
There's that one that's white around its neck. But it lands.
It must be her spot, where the male's sitting right there. She only goes right there. She doesn't go anywhere else.
Oh.
Whoever that was, chasing the hell out of it.
He says, hey, that's my man. Oh. Ooh.
Ooh. Ow. I hope it's still on. It shut off last time.
Oh, it has arms and no legs.
There's two females that kind of rule over those two right there. They're taking turns and staring each other down.
Take your time. Who knows? We'll find out when I get it all done. Just recently, I got some good shots in the last 2 minutes.
Oh, yeah. I mean,
I think a couple minutes, a couple minutes of them doing this and find a nice short song and that's it. Because right now, everybody most people that are on the Facebook thing or YouTube, all that.
too bad I couldn't, when I did those ties for D, where they would automatically hang himself.
That was him, huh?
Yeah, no, that wasn't him. What kind of bird is that?
I don't know. I was going to ask you. I got him up there by me.
They only come around this time of the year.
Looks like they got a bump on their head too.
Yeah. There's another one. Here's four. There's another one. There's another one. Oh, one right
There's
by my
one
butt.
up there on the wire, way up there on top.
Look at that buzzing around.
And that one up there is watching
Oh.
these three.